It's a common service data model. So it means common service data model is a framework in ServiceNow that defines how CMDB data should be structured and organized in a standard way. In simple sentence, you can tell us CSDM help us arrange CMDB data correctly and currently. Why do we need CSDM? Without CSDM, CMDB data becomes messy. We may have duplicate records, incorrect relationships, and wrong impact analysis. With CSDM, data is clean and structured. It clearly connects business services with IT systems, which helps in better decision making. CSDM maturity level. CSDM follows a step-by-step maturity approach. Each stage improves data quality and usability. It has foundation, crawl, walk, run, and fly stages, and CSDM domains. CSDM also defines how data is organized into the layers called domains. First is the foundation domain, then design and planning, and manage technical services, and sell and consume. Let's start with the demo. We can start with the CSDM maturity levels. Foundation, crawl, walk, and run and fly. Then we can with the ServiceNow Personal, for instance. You can search with the CSDM. CSDM. Here, Service Portfolio Management. Application Service Dashboard. CSDM. So I'm logging with the another instance. Here its plugins are installed. We need to add the CSDM plugin for that. And I'm searching the CSDM. Previously for that dashboard plugins not available. Here we need to CSDM Data Foundation dashboard. Here, these are the foundations. These are the maturity stages: foundation, crawl, walk, run, and fly. Then we can discuss with the foundation. This is the first phase. So CSDM follows a step-by-step maturity approach. Each stage improves data quality and usability. These are the maturity level stages. First is the foundation. So in the foundation stage, we focus on data quality and governance. We ensure that CMDB data is accurate, complete, and follows standards. We can sort by name, priority, result, recommendation playbook, updated like this, these tools. And for example, servers, databases, and networks are created with the correct details. For the simple sentence, we can discuss as we build a strong and clean base. Here, in this foundation stage, we build a strong and clean base. Foundation means building the foundation phase, nothing but. Next one, crawl phase. In the crawl stage, we start building basic visibility. So business applications are created and linked to the infrastructure. For example, an application connected to a server, it having the relationships here. So we start identifying applications and their basic functions. Next stage is the work stage. In the work stage, relationships become stronger and cleaner. We define application services and begin service mapping. For example, a login application runs on multiple servers and connects to a database. In the simple sentence, we can discuss as we clearly understand how systems are connected. Next, run stage. In the run stage, CMDB is actively used in daily operations. It supports incident, change, and event management process. For example, before making a change, we can see which services will be affected. In simple sentence, we use CMDB data to manage operations effectively. Next is the fly stage. So in the fly stage, the system becomes intelligent and automated. We use automation, event correlation, and predictive analysis. For example, if a server issue is detected, an alert and incident are automatically created. So the system works smartly with automation and insights. Next, CSDM domains. It means design. CSDM also defines how data is organized into the layers called domains or layers. You can call this. This is a foundation domain. Foundation. So foundation domain provides base structure of CMDB, including core tables, users, and groups. So it is the foundation of the system. So design and planning domain. Design and planning domain. It has business process, business capability, business application, inform object. So this domain focus on planning and designing business applications and capabilities. For example, customer application or payment system is the example. So we design how business systems should work here. Next one, manage technical services or manage technology management services. It has subtopics of service instance, technical service offering, and technology management services, and technology request catalog. So this domain represents how IT systems operate in reality. It includes application services, technical services, and infrastructure. So it shows how IT systems run. Next one, sell and consume layer. It having business service portfolio and business service offering, business service, business request catalog. So this domain represents the services that users consume. It includes business services and service offerings. For example, email service, payment service. It shows what users usually use. So the and CIS Data Foundation and interview point of view, it will asking the main difference between managed technical services and sell and consume, that is business service differences. It having service instance, technical service offering, and technology management service, and technology request catalog. Please remember my words. This is very important. It will repeatedly ask in the question in CIS Data Foundation. And in sell consume portfolio, it having business service portfolio and business service offering, business service, and business request catalog. Here, technology request catalog, and here business request catalog. That's the most differences. In the match following questions, they will ask this type of questions also. So totally having this format, it's a flow. Stages include, and please remember also stages also. It's a foundation, crawl, walk, run, and fly. And domains is the foundation, design, planning, manage, technical service, and sell consume. So these are the stages. These are the maturity stages, and these are the domains or layers or domains are layers. So these are the maturity stages. These are the domains and layers. That's it, guys. If you're facing any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will clearly your doubt. I hope you understand well. See you in the next video. Thank you and wish you all the best.